Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to retouch skin in Photoshop. So let's open up Photoshop here. Today I'm going to show you a process which called frequency separation with mixer brush. So let's open up the image. I want to edit here. So for this tutorial I'm going to use this image here. So let's create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Now we need to remove these little spots from the skin, and we can see there are lots of spots on the screen. So we can do one thing which I do personally in my workflow. See, there are so many spots you can't even see, like see this there. So we can do something like that. Just take the black and white layer, see, black and white layer. Now it depends on your image, so just decrease the red like that. Yeah, now you can see it. See, it's more visible. The spots all over the screen are now a lot more visible. Now see, if you do like this, it will be not good, but something around this will help you in your workflow. So just leave it like that. Now come to your duplicate layer, working layer actually. Now take the spot healing, or you can use clone, patch, anything you love. Now see, I just need to remove all the spots here manually. Now this is a bit time consuming, so I am showing you it in fast forward. Now you need to remove all the spots before the main process, and this is how you are going to get the perfect skin retouching in your portraits. Now this is about okay. When you are on your final project or workflow, you need to do it very carefully. So for that, for the tutorial I'm done. So let's see what we have done in this step. See, from this to this. Okay, now press Ctrl+J again. Now hide this layer. So what is frequency in photo? See, there is two frequency. One is detail. See, there is detail, there is everywhere detail in the skin. Okay, and another one is color. See, this color and this is not the same. So there is variation of details and there is variation of colors. So we need to firstly separate them. So we need to separate the color frequency, we need to separate the detail frequency. So hide this one, come to this one. Let's make it the color frequency. So let's rename it like color, and the another one obviously should be the detail, or you can also create names like low frequency or high frequency. Okay, so this is gonna be our color layer, so we don't need any detail here. Okay, so now come to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Now make it 0.1, increase it slowly and keep it where lose all the details. I think for this image it's okay around 4.5. It's going to be depend on every picture, so just stop when you see it's losing its details. Okay, or you can do something like that. See, here is a proper detailed part. Now I can click that, and now slowly increase it and see where it loses all the details. So see, you don't need to do something like that. Okay, so you just need to lose the details from here, because we're gonna preserve the detail on the detail layer. We just need the color frequency here, so it's around I think it's good here. Yep. Now come to the detail layer. See, we need only the details here, so we don't need the color. So we need to subtract this layer from this one. Okay, see, this is the whole image. If we subtract the color one from this, so what left is the detail only. So how we're gonna do this? Come to image, apply image, layer, we're gonna subtract color, so select color here. Now we are gonna do what? To subtract, so just blending, subtract. Now it will be the scale 2, cause the scale depends from 1 to 2, and for the skin we're gonna select the 2. Okay, see, the lowest is 1 and the highest is 2. See, it's size 2. And why offset 128? Because 128 is the gray, is the perfect gray, so we are taking this 128 offset. Now press simply OK. Now see, what left here is the details only. See, the details. See, there is no color variation, there is no color frequency, there is only details in this. And see, if we turn this off, see, there is no detail in this layer, just colors. So if we turn them on both and just make it linear light, now see, we got our image back. How? See, this layer contains the color and this layer contains the detail, so in both it's the whole image. Okay, let's continue. Now come to color. See, there is variation of colors and we need to remove that. So let's take the mixer brush. We don't need this because we don't need any extra color. We just need to blend those colors which are available on the skin. So we just leave it. We are gonna disable that and we're going to enable this. Wet is around 1 to 5, load is about 75. Okay, mix, we are not using any color, so mix, just leave it, we are not using that. Flow obviously something low. Now in the color layer we need to paint in the direction of the skin texture, so we need to paint like that here, in the direction of the skin. So you can also do one thing, like if you turn it off, now see, you can do something like that. but I prefer this because it will help you to see the texture and the paths of the textures. So just need to do that. Now don't spoil the small details, like you don't need to apply that on the eye, you don't need to soften the smile line, nor the lips, nose. No, you don't need to do that. You just use it on the skin. Now for faster, you can use it flow like up better and the load up better. So for the faster work, but I suggest to keep it low and do this step very slowly with detail. You see, there are some big spots which are not removed yet, so I am just taking that a bit higher and now doing this. Yeah, maybe I will then. Now see, we are from here to here. See, from here to here. Now you need to do that in detail, like you need to give it a time, and it's about practice. You need practice for doing that. So this is all about frequency separation, and you need to give it a time so that you can do it on detail. Now take a new layer, press Ctrl Alt Shift E just to make another layer, and now you can just make this group by pressing Ctrl G. Now see what you have done here. You have done like something from here to here. So this is all about today's video. If you have any questions, please let me know in comment section, and if you love the video, please like, share, and for more videos like that, subscribe my channel and stay tuned. See you in the next video.